I am going to do a review on the It Cosmetics CC Cream. It has SPF 50, and I heard that it was really good. So I wanted to try it out. I picked this up at Ulta. It was $38. I got it in the shade medium light because it's the winter and your skin's a lot lighter than the summer. And on the box it says you are beautiful, you are it. Isn't that so cute? Okay, and I've never tried this before, so this would be my first time. It claims to color correct, and it is full coverage, anti-aging, hydrating serum. Okay, this is my color. It comes in a little pump like this. I think I'm just gonna do it on the back of my hand. And if you're wondering, yes, I did go to St. Kate's, and no, I did not buy this at the thrift store because people asked me that before. So I am just going to do probably 2 pumps because I have 2. It is kind of liquidy, but it is a CC cream, and I have a lot of discoloration, so that's why I wanted to try this out. It's kind of tingly. I'm gonna dab it all over my face. Make sure I get the neck area. And I just want to make sure I got everything from my hand on there. So I've already moisturized, and I always use my Aveeno. It is my best friend. I use that every time after I wash my face. I'm gonna be using my Morphe M444 brush to put this in. And I like to kind of pounce my brush because it's kind of cold, so it like all sticks together because I've got foundation on there. Here we go. I think this color matches me pretty well. It's really lightweight, but it is full coverage. Let me tell you. I got it on my hairline. I should pull my hair back. So it is, I want to say 8:30 in the morning. I am gonna be doing some errands. So we'll see how the foundation, the CC cream is, because I don't feel like I want to wear foundation today. Let's see, my skin is color correcting, and it helps with my dark circles and under my eyes and my wrinkles. Yes, I do have wrinkles under my eyes. And then my forehead, you know how like you make face expressions. Like right here, I have 3 lines. And I don't know why. My lip is just always red. Like red or pink or... So that's why I like to put my foundation red or my lip, so it's like a very neutral, natural color. I don't want to look so dead, so I am gonna go. I'm gonna put some blush on. I'm gonna take Warm Soul from MAC on my Morphe M405 brush. It's an angle brush, and just dab some color on my cheeks so I don't look so white. My hair is not cooperating with me today. It's just everywhere. Really? You're gonna be everywhere? You gotta be everywhere. And I am going to be doing my eyebrows and my mascara off camera. The last thing I'm gonna use is the Becca and Champagne Pop. I just want to give myself a little shine. I'm just using my fingers. Gotta do a nose, yeah, no. Gotta make that nose look skinny and pop. And I will see you guys back in a little bit. So overall, the CC cream, I feel like my face is really dry, so I have a lot of like white blotches on my face. But maybe it's just how it is now, and then when you know, do your errands or whatever throughout the day, it'll get better. But that's how I feel right now. I'm gonna go and do some errands, and then I'll come back and let you guys know if I do or do not like it. I do find it that crease like right here in my eyelid is because my eyelid is very oily, so maybe that's why. Let me see here. I wanted to try the one that was turquoise. People say that it's really good for your skin if you are very oily. But when I went to Ulta, did I say Ulta earlier? I think it said Sephora, but Ulta, they didn't have the oil-free one. So I did not get it, but I don't see... Ooh, don't see where it says anything about having oil or water in it. But the directions does say Apply literally 15 minutes before using, before sun exposure. Reapply at least every 2 hours. I didn't know that. Use a water-resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. Sun protection measures. Spending time in the sun increases your chance of skin cancer and early skin aging. To decrease this risk, regularly use a sunscreen with a broad spectrum of SPF 15 or higher, and other sun protection measures, including limit time in the sun, especially from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Wear long sleeve shirts, pants, hats, and sunglasses. Children under 6 months of age, ask a doctor. So I guess if you're going out in a really hot heat, apply every 2 hours, which I didn't know, but now we know. So just a quick update. I put this on my lip. It is the Tarte Pink Lip from the their birthday collection or gift. I do notice that I am creasing under my eyes, and as you can see, I'm creasing up here in my forehead. I'm also creasing right here in my smile lines. So that was Caribou when I went there. Caribou is about 2 minutes from my house. So I don't know if I do like this CC cream, but I'll let you guys know after my Asian store run. So after my run to the store, I'm starting to crease like around my nose and area here, and then on top of my mustache and right in this area. Other than that, it's okay. Whew. Whew. Okay. So my little doggy ran around the neighborhood and I had to go chase her. But an update, the CC cream did not crease because I was running, but it's good. Okay, so overall with this CC cream, I will give 8 out of 10 because I did crease up in my lines here, and then especially around my nose here and my lips where I smile, so you know, the regular smile lines. I did notice that my nose was kind of peeling, so I don't know if it's either the CC cream or if it is just because I'm just dry. But yeah, that's all that I have for you guys. I just wanted to let you guys know that I did buy this with my own money. It's not sponsored or anything, but if It Cosmetics wants to sponsor me, hey, contact me. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.